Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact email tied to your Pi account. This is critical because the email is the only recovery path. Once confirmed, open the Pi app or the web portal and go straight to Settings or Sign In. Make sure you're on a secure network and that you can receive email immediately. Delays can expire codes. Now tap Forgot Password or Reset via email, enter your linked email, and submit so Pi can send the verification message. You'll receive a verification message from Pi, open it and click the Reset link. This proves you control the account email. Once the Reset page loads, pick a password that's long and unique. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols so attackers can't guess it. Enter it once, then enter it again to confirm. While you're here, make sure the browser saved the change or copy the new password into your password manager for safe storage. You finish by logging into Pi with your new password to confirm everything works. This completes the recovery. If the reset link expired or never arrived, request another reset and inspect spam, promotions, and any filter folders. Sometimes the email lands there. Make sure your email provider isn't blocking Pi. If you no longer control the linked email, you must contact Pi support for account assistance because email recovery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.